Hey, thanks for stopping in. I hope you enjoy this video. We've been polishing this 5.7 crank here, just getting the surface rust off. As you see, it's still a little progress coming along, but it's up to 600, so hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. As you see, this one's kind of a little scuffed and still got to work on it a little bit more, but let's get to moving on it and we'll see where we get. Stay tuned. Alright, we have the journals all to 600. Now we're going to jump up to 1,000. I haven't gotten that one, the snout, up to 600 just quite yet. But focused on the main rod journals first. As you see, they're coming along pretty well, so stay tuned to follow what it turns into. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you.